What if you could test out a story, game, podcast, or even a customer support conversation with multiple voices before recording anything? Instead of generating one voice at a time, this app will let you paste in a dialogue, assign every character a unique voice and emotion, and then render that entire scene into one stitched audio file using Telnyx text-to-speech. Let's see how this works. This is the multi-character narrator. The app comes with a preloaded Julius Caesar scene, but you can paste in any dialogue you want as long as each line starts with the speaker name. For each speaker, you can choose a different Telnyx Ultra voice. So, for example,
Hello, this is a voice preview from Telnyx.
Or
Hello, this is a voice preview from Telnyx.
You can also change the voices here to maybe Jasper.
Hello, this is a voice preview from Telnyx.
And if you want, you can also change their emotion.
Hello, this is a voice preview from Telnyx.
For this specific project, I selected 8 random voices, but you can swap these for any Telnyx Ultra voice using its voice ID. Once you're happy with it, you can click Render Scene and it will start talking out the scene for you.
This is our moment. Rome cannot survive under one ruler. Stay focused.
What is happening? Why are you all surrounding me?
I am sorry, Caesar. This is not personal. I believe it is what Rome needs.
Brutus, even you? I never thought you would betray me.
The conspirators strike Caesar.
Then, this is the end.
It is over. Rome is free.
Look at what you have done. The greatest leader Rome has ever known is gone.
We did not act out of hate. We acted because we believed Rome deserved a future without a tyrant.
History will decide whether you saved Rome or destroyed it.
Behind the scenes, the application is sending one text-to-speech request for every line in the script. Instead of waiting for each request to finish before starting the next one, they all run in parallel. When they're all finished, the application will stitch the audio back together in the original script order. So now we have one continuous scene where every character has their own voice and their own emotion, and everything was generated just from that one script. Now let's check out how this works. Most of the project lives inside this single Flask application. At the top here, you can see the default voice map. This maps each speaker to the Telnyx Ultra voice. Right below that, you can see the default emotion map. Here, every character can have their own emotion, which is also applied when the scene is rendered. Next is the script parser. It takes the dialogue and converts it into a list of ordered lines. So each object stores the speaker, the text, and the original order. That order becomes important because the request won't necessarily finish in the same sequence. When you head over to the render line here, you can see that if the selected motion isn't neutral, the application will wrap the dialogue around in an inline SSML emotion tag. Once everything is configured, we build the request and send it to the Telnyx text-to-speech API. Each line is sent with its assigned voice and emotion. So instead of generating each line one at a time, the app will send all requests in parallel. This will help render longer scenes much faster. And once every request is finished, the audio is reordered and stitched into one MP3. And that's basically what the multi-character narrator does. You paste in a dialogue, assign voices and emotions to each character, and then you'll be able to generate a complete multi-character scene with the Telnyx TTS. If you want to try this out for yourself, feel free to just clone this repo and run it with your Telnyx API key. Thanks for watching.